Listen up. 2026 is about to be one of the biggest opportunities that we've seen in real estate in the last decade. And most people do not even understand or know what's about to happen. I'm going to share with you exactly how to position yourself to win in 2026. And I'm going to make it so simple that even a third grader can understand it.
Young mogul in the building.
I've been in the business 9 years. Commercial real estate investor. See, most of us, we losing out on blessings because we want to get the whole pie. We want 100% of nothing.
I got business, credit, real estate. Got some assets on the market from recession up to date. I got business, credit, real estate.
Yo, I need to become more effective in less time. If it takes you 30 years to do something, I need to do it in 5. I'm not trying to wait time 30, 40 years in to retire, get a pension, then go get a second job and now work. No, I'm not doing it.
Funding for the business with a lower interest rate. I go get your LLC. You gon' need an EIN. You get verified online. A few more steps, you be right in. Get your headset in the game. We gon' need you to buy in. Execution is the loophole with the strings that we tie in.
Now imagine this. Let's say you borrow a toy from your friend for 5 years. And at the end of 5 years, your friend comes back to you and say, hey, I need my toy back. Or I'll let you borrow it again, but at a different set of rules. Now that's exactly how real estate works. And this exact moment is called loan maturity. Most real estate investors and business owners who purchase real estate, purchase buildings in 2020, 2021, now it's coming upon that 5-year mark. And a lot of their loans are maturing. Now, what does this mean? Their friend, which is the bank, is going to them and saying, hey, I need my money back, or you can keep the property but at a different set of rules or a different set of terms. Here's why this matters. Back in 2020, 2021, when a lot of real estate investors and business owners, they borrowed from the banks at low interest rates, 2%, 3%, and the money was very cheap. So let me make it very simple for you as a third grader can understand. Let's just say you borrow a toy 5 years ago and it only cost you $5. And then 5 years later, that same toy now costs you $10. The math doesn't make sense. Well, a lot of business owners and real estate investors, their mortgage payments are going to increase 40, 50, 60% because they now have to refinance at the new interest rates. And in 2026, we can expect 7 to maybe 9%, depending on what happens with the market, which means those monthly payments are going to go up and the math may not make sense. And a lot of these business owners, real estate investors, they may not be able to afford to keep their properties, which means they're going to have to do one of 3 things. Number 1, sell their property. Number 2, give their properties back to the bank. Or number 3, which is what I love the most, creatively structure a deal with an investor like you or me. This is where the real opportunity is. Now let's get into the numbers, right? There's about $1.5 trillion in commercial real estate loans that are scheduled to mature between 2025 and 2026. And 50% of those loans, most business owners do not have the capacity or ability to pay it back. You're gonna reach out to the sellers, the owners, the investors, and you're gonna ask one question: when is your loan maturing? And depending on what they answer is gonna decide what you're gonna do. And if they say 2025, 2026, 2027, this is where it gets really good for you. Which leads me to number 3. You're gonna offer creative financing. Now, there's multiple ways to creative finance. I'll give you a few. You can do seller financing. You can do loan assumption, which means they sign over the loan to you. You can do equity partnerships, which means you're gonna come in and you're gonna put up X amount of money to take ownership and help them be able to get back in the green and maybe buy them out later on. So it's multiple things that you can do, but you need to have the strategies. And this is what we teach in our mentorship. We have over 100 ways to creatively close deals. And that is where the real real estate investors, the savvy experts, are actually going to win. The investors that just made money in 2020, 2021 because it was just easy real estate, you can just buy anything and sell it because it was just cheap money going around, those days are long gone. And you need to know how to creatively put deals together and master that. That is why I've been able to be successful when it comes to the business acquisition and real estate industry because I understand creative financing and I mastered it, and I teach these strategies on how to leverage maybe grant funding, business credit cards, HELOCs, just multiple ways you could actually leverage your stock portfolio, just putting things in place so that you can get some great deals going. Number 4, build strong relationships. You want to make sure that you connect with the sellers, and they may not be interested in selling right now, but they may be interested in 6 months, 12 months, 18 months. So keep them on the follow-up. Utilize your CRM so you can keep track of it. You want to make sure you put these reminders in your calendar because the fortune is in the follow-up. Build relationships with the brokers because they have a lot of great opportunities. You want to stay connected. You want to make sure you build great relationships with your lenders because they can let you know what's coming up in the pipeline. Relationships are super important because a lot of the great deals are not going to hit the market. It's going to be done through relationships, which leads me to number 5. Hey, it's Ramel, the 7-figure entrepreneur and self-storage king. I got a quick question for you. What's more important to you than money? Is it time, freedom, having the space to create a better relationship with God? Is it traveling the world? Is it spending time with your kids? What is it? The reason why I ask that is because most people think that money is everything, and money is just the tool that you utilize to get the real goal, which is your freedom, your time, all the things that I just named that you name, right? And the great news is I built the #1 most affordable and wealth building community on the planet for less than $1.50 per day, where I'm going to teach you the blueprint on how to clean your credit, how to get access to funding, how to pay off debt fast, how to buy assets, underwrite these deals, all in one community for less than $1.50 a day. That community is the Mogul Elite Club. So go to moguleliteclub.com or click the link in the description and grab your spot for less than $1.50 per day. I'll see you there. Be ready to close. The worst thing you could do is find a great opportunity and don't have the access to close. So make sure you have access to capital. Make sure you already, build a relationship with your private lenders, and make sure your credit is already in position. Just make sure that you are ready. All right. Network with different people. Make sure that when you can move with speed, that is how you build wealth. I see a lot of investors go wrong because they get a great opportunity and then they now try to go get the money. You never want to go get the money when you need it. You'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And I like to teach this in my 3 principles, 3 I's. Number 1 is information. Master the information. Be a student. Be an expert. Understand the business model. Number 2 is integrity, which means being a man or woman of your word and following through on exactly what you're learning. There's so many entrepreneurs that's addicted to the information but allergic to the execution. Right? We want to execute consistently. And then that brings me to the last I, which is impact. All right. You want to know how could you add value to the sellers, to the brokers, to your lenders, to your investors, because when you have all of these components come together, all it takes is one great deal to change everything about your life. These are the 5 things that I'll be focused on in 2026. This is the #1 thing that can make you millions and build wealth for you in 2026. And believe it or not, all it takes is one great deal. You find a self-storage business and you get it 50, 60 cents on the dollar, that can set you up for generational wealth. I'm talking about decades and generations to come off of one great opportunity. So if you're following anything that I've shared with you thus far in this video, I want you to know that 2026 is not the year to sit on the sidelines. 2026 is the year to get in the game and play big. This is where the real savvy investors are going to showcase their expertise, and the people who are not really serious about this are going to fall to the wayside. They're going to lose out big. And they're not going to lose out because their business is failing. It's because they don't understand the financials around the market. All right. So I want to encourage you to study. I want to encourage you to be a student. I want to encourage you to take as many classes and masterminds so that you can be prepared, because all it takes is one generational curse breaker. And even if you are looking to build and add to what you already have, this can be your great home run when it comes to building wealth in a real estate business. All right. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to be sharing more about this opportunity. I want you to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified where I'm going to share the best businesses to build cash flow during this economic crisis.